child feel good about being unique, it's important to create an environment where they can be themselves and celebrate what makes them special. Have an open conversation with your child about what makes them different and special and why it is cool to be unique. Teach them about different people and cultures and show them how to be kind and respectful to everyone, no matter how they are different. Be a good role model by accepting yourself and others for who they are and show that being different is a good thing. Encourage your child to explore their interests and talents and support them in being true to themselves. Celebrate their successes and remind them how important it is to be confident and happy with who they are. By creating a loving and accepting environment that celebrate diversity and individuality, you can help your child feel proud and confident about their differences.